In this class we will start using the Inventor itself, learning how to use essential commands for the development of sketches. Which are the sketches that will give rise to 3D models. We will create lines, circles, arches and rectangles. To start, we must create a new part file by accessing the new command and double-clicking on the standard template IPT. Note that we have a program adjusted to create parts and we have two options to proceed. The first is to click on the tool shown and then click on the desired work plan. The second is to expand the origin folder in the browser, select the desired work plan and then click on the tool in the 3D Model tab. Or click on the icon shown in the graphic area. In order for the Inventor to start with a defined plan, simply go to Tools, Application Options, Part, mark the desired work plan and confirm it. We selected the XY plan, click on the icon and see that the Sketch tab has been displayed and the screen orientation has been adjusted to make sketches easier. To create the lines, just activate the Line command by clicking on it in the Create panel. To exit the command, we simply need to check Escape. By clicking this arrow, we have access to other commands, such as spline and equation curve, for example. Note that when we position the mouse over the command, we have information displayed. The letter shown in parentheses is the shortcut that we can use to quickly access it. We press the letter L on the keyboard and see that the command line has been activated. See that with each left click on the screen we create segments of lines. Note that, as the geometry is created, the software shows horizontal, parallel, vertical symbols, among others. To identify the user the geometric relationships being applied. We also have two boxes where we can enter the values of the coordinates of the X and Y axes by pressing the Tab key and typing the desired values. When you enter the value in one of the boxes, it is locked, and you cannot adjust with the mouse. To change a continuous line to a center line, simply select it and, in the Format panel, click the Centerline command. To create an arc using the Line command itself, we click on a point, and then hold the left button click and drag the mouse. Watch. Now just click to complete the arc. We also have the command arc, which is the specific command for creating arches. We click on it and by default we must click on 3 points to define the arc, start, end and radius. Clicking on the arrow, we have the Arctangent option, which creates arcs tangent to a straight line. Where the first click will always be on a straight, setting the beginning of the arc, and the second will indicate the diameter and end the command. We also have the command to create arc by center point, where the first click will indicate the center, and the second and third will indicate, respectively, the beginning and end of the arc. The command circle is specific to creating circles, and we can activate it by pressing the keys Ctrl-Shift-C. The first click indicates the center position of the circle and the second defines the diameter, ending the command. We can enter the diameter value and press enter to create the circle. The standard creation of rectangles with the rectangle command is done by the definition of 2 points, see. By clicking on the arrow we have several options and look at the 2-point center, which allows you to create a rectangle defining the center point and the diagonal, see. We erased unnecessary geometries and finished here this lesson, where we learned how to use some commands to create sketches.